Hi, Nova Nighthawks. As we approach spring registration, are you wondering what classes you should take for spring semester? You have an excellent tool called your Advisement Report available at your fingertips to help you with that information. It's through your MyNova login and then through SIS. And your Advisement Report is going to show you your specific degree or certificate requirements that you still need for your program. So let's take a look at our Advisement Report and figure out how to interpret that information. So first you're going to log in to your MyNova account. And then from there, you're going to choose SIS. Once you choose SIS, you're going to go to your Student Center, which should look something like this. And then we're going to click My Academics, and we're going to click Academic Requirements. Click Go. And it takes it a second to load. Sometimes it takes it more than a second. But your academic requirements are going to show you several different things. So the first thing that it's going to show you are the VA Transfer Passport optional courses. The Transfer Passport courses are a specific program for students who are planning to transfer out to a university and may want to take these classes first. For this exercise, we're going to skip down past that information to our actual degree requirements. So we're going to keep going until we get here to where it says our actual degree program. So for this exercise, we are a business administration student, but it will show whatever program you're in. So the first thing to notice is your program correct? So is this information correct? Are you a business administration student? If yes, great, we can continue on with this. If no, and your plans have changed or you've changed your mind as far as what you would like to study, come visit us in the academic advising office so that we can update that information for you so that this plan will read correctly. But for this exercise, this student does want to continue with business administration. So the first thing to notice is that these tabs are open. If a tab is open, that means that the requirement has not been completed. And here it tells you how many credits total are required for your degree. So for the business administration plan, it requires 60 credits. This student has taken 1 credit and needs 59 more. So as we scroll down, we're going to see a couple of things. First of all, that the student development tab here is closed. If you click it open, you will see that this student is in SDV 100 for fall, and it's showing here the yellow diamond, which shows that they are currently in progress for the class. If you finish the class, it's going to give you a different indicator so that you know it's done. But because the student is in the class, that tab is closed. The student has not taken English 111 yet, so that tab remains open, and it shows the class that they can take for that or to meet that requirement. Same thing for English 112, and same thing for math. So you can use this to help guide you as far as the classes you need to take. If we scroll on down to a category like Business 224, we're going to see there's a couple of different options here. So this requirement is Business 224 or Business 221, so you would be able to pick from one of these 3 classes. That would be where you would want to talk to an advisor because you're given the options because different universities want different courses. So we do want you to come in and talk to us if you're unsure what class your university would like for you to take. Same thing can be just said for things like your communications requirements. So here you get a choice of 4 different classes, and when you decide to take one of those classes, it's going to close that tab. Another option or another excellent portion of the advisement report is that if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you get some other really helpful information. One thing you get is your GPA. So it tells you your planned GPA, which is your GPA of the courses that you have taken for your program. You also get the cumulative GPA, which is shows you your GPA for all the classes you've taken at Nova. And then you also get an unused courses tab. So if this student was taking a course that didn't meet a requirement for their degree program, it's going to show up in unused. So it's a great way to check and make sure that the classes you are taking or the classes you are planning to take are meeting your degree requirements. If they're showing up under one of your requirements, you're good to go. If they're showing up under unused, then they're not for your degree program, and you probably want to come talk to us in advising. So one more helpful thing we can show you here as part of your advisement report is the view report as a PDF. Click that. And it's going to pop up here and give us some really good information about our program. So same information as on the other part of the advisement report. The only difference is that it's in a PDF form and it opens all of the tabs. So if you've taken quite a few courses and you just want to see a full layout, this is a great way to do it. So here again, we see that the student is an SDV, but hasn't taken their English class. So if it's a red category like here for English, that means that requirement still needs to be met. So again, same information, just kind of a different format. And so definitely try that and see if that's helpful for you as well. You can also save this, download it and save it if you want to, but it does update every time you add a class or drop a class. Your advisement report will update. So if you have any questions, please visit us in academic advising. We're happy to help. But if you've reviewed your advisement report before, it's really helpful for us and for you to make sure that you're on the right track and that you're taking the right courses. Have a great day.